The United Kingdom's Ministry of Defense latest intelligence update on Ukraine, June 26, 2023. As part of its broader counteroffensive, Ukraine has gained impetus in its assaults around Bakhmut in Donetsk Oblast. In a multi-brigade operation, Ukrainian forces have made progress on both the northern and southern flanks of the town. There has been little evidence that Russia maintains any significant ground forces operational level reserves, which could be used to reinforce against the multiple threats it is now facing in widely separated sectors, from Bakhmut to the eastern bank of the Dnipro River, over 200 kilometers away. The Air Force Command of Ukraine Armed Forces update. On the night of June 26, 2023, Russia attacked Ukraine primarily from the southern direction. 3 winged caliber missiles from a submarine in the Black Sea, and 8 shock drones of Iranian production Shahed 136 and 131 from the east coast of the Azov Sea. Air Defense of the South Air Command have neutralized 2 winged caliber missiles and 7 Shahed uncrewed aerial vehicles. In addition, Russia attacked from the northern direction with 4 uncrewed aerial vehicles of unidentified type, probably percussion. All drones were destroyed in the area of the Central Air Command. The Institute for the Study of War, Russian Offensive Campaign Assessment. Russian President Vladimir Putin gave a speech on June 26, seeking to persuade as many Wagner fighters and leaders as possible to join the Russian military and continue fighting against Ukraine, and to cause individuals most loyal to Wagner Group financier Yevgeny Prigozhin to self-identify. Putin continued to denounce the organizers of the armed rebellion as traitors. Putin thanked Russian society and the Russian security forces for defending Russia's sovereignty, and expressed gratitude to Belarusian President Alexander Lukashenko for brokering negotiations with the perpetrators of the rebellion. Putin did not name Prigozhin specifically, but Putin's speech leaves little room for any rapprochement with Prigozhin. The Institute for the Study of War key takeaways today. The Kremlin indicated that Russia aims to retain Wagner forces to sustain its operations in Ukraine and other international engagements. Prigozhin attempted to downplay his armed rebellion on June 26 in his first statement since the rebellion failed, likely in an attempt to shield himself from accusations of attempting a coup against Putin. Prigozhin's efforts to convince Putin of his loyalty clearly failed, as Putin characterized the armed rebellion as a blackmail attempt and denounced its organizers as traitors following Prigozhin's statement. The Kremlin is likely attempting to signal that Shoigu will maintain his position for now, and that Putin will not give in to Prigozhin's blackmail attempt. The future of the Wagner Group is unclear, but it will likely not include Yevgeny Prigozhin and may not continue to exist as a distinct or unitary entity. Ukrainian forces continued counteroffensive operations and advanced on at least 2 sectors of the front as of June 26. Russian forces conducted limited ground attacks northwest of Svatov and south of Kreminna. Ukrainian and Russian forces continued ground attacks around Bakhmut, and Ukrainian forces reportedly advanced as of June 26. Russian forces conducted limited ground attacks along the Avdiivka-Donetsk city line. Ukrainian and Russian forces continued to skirmish in the Donetsk-Zaporizhia Oblast's administrative border area, and Ukrainian forces made gains as of June 26. Russian sources claimed that Ukrainian forces continued limited ground attacks in western Zaporizhia Oblast. Geolocated footage confirmed that Ukrainian forces maintained positions near the Antonivsky Bridge on the southern bank Kherson Oblast as of June 26. The Russian State Duma passed a law prohibiting private military companies from recruiting prisoners.